Hello and welcome to the Engineering at UWA information session. My name is Diana and I'm a Student Experience Officer in the Faculty of Engineering and Mathematical Sciences. In this session, we will provide you with some information about studying engineering at UWA, our industry-integrated hands-on learning and internship opportunities, and what it's like to be a student here with us. Engineering at UWA empowers our students to work alongside industry to seek solutions to humanity's greatest challenges and provides a springboard to a career with infinite potential. I will now pass you over to Professor Tim Sercombe, Dean and our Head of School of Engineering, who will provide you with more information about engineering at UWA.
Hello all, thank you for joining us to learn more about engineering at UWA. I'm Professor Tim Sercombe, Head of the School of Engineering. Engineering is the application of science and maths to invent or design solutions to solve problems. It covers a very wide range of areas, including the design of bridges and roads, cars, the extraction and processing of natural resources, the generation and distribution of electricity, and developing new ways of caring for the environment. Engineering has been at the forefront of some of the major achievements of mankind. Things like sending humans to the moon, the Snowy River hydroelectricity scheme, the Sydney Harbour Bridge, electric and hybrid cars, solar panels, and smaller and faster computers. This list is endless. The key attributes of an engineer include good problem solving, design thinking, innovation, technical skills, maths and science skills like physics, and also creativity. If you have any or all of these, then engineering may be for you. The engineering pathway at UWA, also known as the 3+2 course model, provides students with the knowledge and skills to be ready to enter the workforce as a skilled leader. The following video outlines our course model.
It's a 3-year undergraduate bachelor degree followed by a 2-year Master of Professional Engineering. UWA students graduate with a bachelor degree together with a master's degree. This degree was developed by UWA in partnership with the engineering sector and gives our graduates a higher level of qualification than students who have studied a 4-year Bachelor of Engineering. You can complete a Master of Professional Engineering through any one of UWA's 5 bachelor degrees, provided that engineering science is one of your majors. For example, you could finish with a bachelor degree in commerce as well as a Master of Professional Engineering. You'll also have the opportunity to add a second major. You can choose a subject that complements your first major or something completely different. In third year, when you know what type of engineering career you're pursuing, or if you want an in-depth understanding of a particular area, you can choose a specialisation.
As you can see, during your studies you will learn about the different areas of engineering we offer, also known as specialisations, while gaining a practical based knowledge of engineering principles before deciding which is for you. At UWA we offer 8 different engineering specialisations: biomedical, chemical, civil, electrical and electronic, environmental, mechanical, mining and software. You will choose units that tailor to your interest throughout your undergraduate degree before deciding which specialisation you want to focus on in your Master of Professional Engineering. You also have the opportunity to study a second major during your undergraduate degree, which can complement your engineering science major. You could choose to combine engineering science with data science, maths, statistics or physics, or a major from another faculty such as finance or environmental science. Our teaching is delivered by engineers who are working on cutting-edge research and are experts in their field. We have researchers working in the fields such as renewable energy, biotechnology and oceanography. These researchers bring their experience and practical learning to the course, giving our students a first-hand look into how engineering impacts on the real world. During your studies, you will complete a designated period of work within an engineering company. This is known as the professional practicum and will allow you to gain practical experience in a real-life workplace. This gives students an idea of what engineering practice is like, as well as developing practical skills and building industry connections.
So the professional practicum is a 12-week program that all the engineering students at UWA need to undertake in order to graduate. It gives you the opportunity to sort of put into place all of the skills and the theory that you've learned at uni. In my time at Rio Tinto, most of my time was spent looking at hydraulic pump failures and hydraulic systems on the excavators in their fleet. I had the opportunity to do some work elsewhere within the business as well, with a couple of other teams, which I found really rewarding.
Jayden did a great job for us, very practically minded, and we were able to utilise him in analysing data, but as well as going up to sites and actually looking at what was going on.
It was really comforting to have a supportive team with everyone here at Rio Tinto. They provided me with the opportunity to go up to the mine site, and it really gave me the chance to put a scale to everything that I was working on and get some hands-on experience of the machines that I was dealing with and trying to improve through my work.
Based on the work Jayden's done for us so far, we're really keen to get him back, and there's a potential career within Rio Tinto for Jayden. The advice I'd give to current students would be to seek out practical work when they're doing their vacation employment. It's very easy to get stuck into just one aspect of engineering, but if you can keep it practical and actually be hands-on, then you've got many more options during your vacation work as well as later on in your career.
I'd say absolutely go for it. It really gives you the opportunity to develop yourself further, and you never know where your opportunities will take you.
Opening in 2020, the Ezone UWA Student Hub is a world-class learning space for engineering students. This new facility will transform the way we educate our students, undertake research and engage with industry.
Because university is all about setting people up to get into industry, it's so important that the skills that university is giving people are the skills they'll need when they're working in the job. Having a space like the Ezone where they can meet with industry professionals, engage with them and understand what challenges they're facing will help give context to the students so that when they enter the industry, they're better prepared and they're ready to face those challenges.
Personally for me, Ezone means a lot considering it provides a collaborative zone. I can work with other people how I would in industry as well. This building is full of great spaces which are very versatile and adaptable to cater to all your needs.
As academics, we are actually working very closely with industry all the time. We go out of our way to make sure that our research is a collaboration with industry. Ezone will provide an excellent space where students can be interacting with researchers and engineers from industry and people from other disciplines.
Ezone is critical to soft skills or power skills development. Things like collaboration and empathy and problem solving and all those sorts of things. That's what this environment's all about.
Ezone is a home for us in engineering. It's welcoming, it has plenty of spaces for us to interact, and it brings together all of the engineering disciplines. It means that it really is the hub. It's a place where people can spend time.
Engineering has always been about getting together to solve problems, and now we have a great place to do that.
A big part of student life at UWA is getting involved in one of our many student clubs. In our faculty, we have over 20 student-led clubs and societies which allow students to share ideas, socialise and network with industry. Our clubs include engineering students from all areas to more specialised clubs like UWA Makers, a group who inspire students to create and explore, providing them with the means to bring their ideas to life.
The vision that Women in Engineering and Mathematical Sciences has is to create an inclusive culture for female students pursuing a major in engineering and mathematical sciences.
Being a part of WINS UWA has definitely been a highlight of my university career. It has not only helped me develop lifelong friendships, but also enhance my soft skills that I know that I'm going to use often in the industry.
Probably our highlight events throughout the year, our alumni networking picnic, volleyball networking, as well as our recent soft skills workshop.
The AusIMM's purpose is to get students that want to study mining into the mining industry. We try to bridge the gap between university and the real world in the professional setting by offering social networking events.
So being a part of this club, you get to know a lot of mining companies who you'll probably inevitably work for throughout your career.
Being involved with the AusIMM's helps me connect on a more personal level with my colleagues, which means that when I'm doing studies, I have a bunch of friends to help me with. Additionally, being involved with the AusIMM has helped myself, as well as all of the committee and members, get vacation work and graduate work with no real person left behind.
UA's mission is to create really professional events to students and involve students within industry and provide them insight into what's going on in the industry and connect them with people in mining, oil and gas, pretty much every engineering discipline.
The most surprising thing I found out of joining the club is definitely how I've wanted to always push myself in the club and the new friendships I've made. I didn't expect myself to make so many long-lasting friendships over the time I've been involved with the club, but looking back, I know I've made friends for life.
Thank you for tuning in. Please don't hesitate to contact us if you have any further queries. We look forward to seeing you on campus soon.